Let me tell you a story about a circular bike. Yes, circular bike. When it was built to last. Strong frame and easy to repair. 3 people have readily used it, and each one loved it. That's what we call the slowdown model. The bike was designed to last longer, but eventually the chain rusted and the seat cracked, but nothing went to trash. The frame was melted down and turned into a new bike. The tires were repurposed into playground flooring. That's what we call closing the loop, where nothing is wasted. Now imagine this. You never owned the bike. You subscribed instead to a service. The bike was delivered to your door, maintained for you, and replaced when needed. That product as a service. You get the bike, you use it, but you don't own it. But wait, why you need a subscription? You just borrow a bike from a public rack. You ride it, park it, and done. That's the sharing model. You don't need to own everything. You just share. 1 bike, 5 circular stories. Now I want you to imagine if we designed everything this way.